Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding an end screen to a YouTube video. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the editor button on the far left panel. And then underneath video editor, select where it says end screen and then the edit button. At this point, go ahead and enter in different elements. So if you want to have a video, you can do that. So most recent upload or choose a specific video, you can do that as well. And you can move it around and adjust it on the screen, as well as adjusting the time interval for when it appears in the video by dragging these bars to the left or right. Please note you can only do it, I believe, about 15 seconds before the video ends. That's as long as the end screen can appear for. And I think a video has to be over 1 minute long before you can actually use end screens as well. So a couple different things to consider there. And you can also just go ahead and select the save button to kind of view what it's going to be previewed as. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.